Today I want to talk to you a little bit about resolving your disputes as opposed to litigating your disputes. And what really makes a good lawyer is a lawyer who is a good negotiator, a good resolver, knows how to get people over to his way of thinking. So I have plenty of clients that come in and they want a lawyer that's going to go into court and do all kinds of gestures and all kinds of nasty big legal words and terminology, and they feel like they want their lawyer to subdue the opposition. Well, that's great, and that's good TV stuff, but in real life, when you are faced with a lawsuit or a criminal case or what have you, the first thing that you always want to explore is a potential resolution which will limit your downside, which is what you want to do when you're in business. You want to limit your downside. And the way to do that is not to have an impartial third party like a judge or a six-person jury determine the fate of your lawsuit, when you always have the ability to resolve it yourself in a way that you feel comfortable with. And one of our favorite sayings is that a good settlement is worth more than a bad lawsuit, or a bad settlement is worth more than a good lawsuit. And the reasons are because litigation causes stress, and it costs money, and it takes a lot of time. So what you want to do is you always want to resolve your issues in the most inexpensive way, in the fastest way, and in a manner that is not stressful to you. Going to court, I can assure you, is always stressful. So bottom line is, when you go to a lawyer and you talk about your case, always talk about possible ways that you are willing to resolve the case without too much time, expense, or stress. So that's our tip of the day, and we'll see you next time.